I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through.
What's going on, guys? We're back with another video. This morning we just a quick little update of what I got going on so far. I got, as you can see, the stunt wall is up behind me. It's the same designs I had on the white truck. I got a couple of sets of these, the same style. I got a gray set as well. Might even have a regular tan set, or not tan, but regular wood set. I don't know, but I know we got a couple of these sets right here, so you usually go back with the same ordeal on the back. So we're gonna have the 8 mid bass, the how many? No, not 8 mid bass, 16 mid bass, 8 mid range, and 8 horn drivers. So I don't know what amps we're gonna power these with or nothing like that, but we already got the speakers or whatnot, so it'll be pretty simple to do that. Of course, I have the 16 wired on the half ohm. I kept my PRV half ohm amp. On the way, I might switch it out to something different. I might go with separate the amps rather instead of one amp, because I didn't even have enough power, because they're 550 watts a piece on the mid bass. And I only got a 3500, so I really need more power, so I might end up switching it up eventually. But I just wanted to get the hard part, one of the hard parts out of the way with this build. Just get it in here, the most time consuming part. Of course, we already got some wiring. Really everything, we already got everything that we already hit a lot of stuff. So that's one of the deals with this. It's not like we got to get a whole bunch of new stuff. But as far as subwoofers and a couple of other amps and stuff we do, so I guess we're gonna put that on hold for a minute. But I do have my other 3 15-inch enclosure as well. I think I'm gonna put that back in the white truck, and that way I have something I can ride and listen to or whatnot, because I ain't really got nothing in there. I got the factory doors or whatnot. That'll be about it. But we're gonna I'm gonna try to put some stump covers right there on the doors, and to cover up there just in case. You never know, man. Somebody might be behind your vehicle and hit the vehicle, hit the speakers or whatever, kids or whatever may be going on. But you never know, really. Nowadays, anything can happen when you go to a show and then you walk off from it and you leave it open. I usually leave it open, so I might just keep it like that. It is firm up there. I'm not worried about it falling over. I can pull on it and make the whole truck shake once I pull on it. So I ain't worried about that part. It's just more of somebody hitting it outside or on mistake or whatever may go on. But yeah, that's a quick update this morning. Not a long video. Just trying to keep y'all updated on what's going on. Of course, y'all see the other videos of the progress. I haven't put the other braces in there. I haven't went and got those. I did tell y'all I got the angle iron. I didn't put that in there yet. I have to get that drilled out or punched out or whatever they call it, because my drill won't do the job. I got a Bauer. I mean, I'm sure it's probably not. It might not even be the drill that's the issue, but I know it's gonna be real time consuming because the angle iron is real thick. So I'm gonna have to take that and get that done, and then I'll be able to use it. But for now, we're gonna get the braces. I still ain't uploaded that video. I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all that video today about about how to do the braces and how to make your own, and on a budget. All this about on a budget, of course. I could have did it like a whole lot more expensive than this, but everything's about on the budget. Whether I traded or got certain things for free, or got it real cheap. Some things you might have got it cheap, some things you might have got it free. Might have traded it, never know. But I'm gonna give y'all a rundown when everything is complete all the way at the end. Not at the end of this video, but we're gonna do it at the end of probably one of the other videos. So y'all stay tuned for that. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Be sure to use the code down below, or use code BASSWITHKEV, BWK. It's a lot of different, well, most of them BASSWITHKEV, but if you go to cardioconnect.com, you'll be able to see it. Use my links over there on the channel. And that way, either support what I'm doing, help me get to the shows or whatever, you know, just a little kickback for me. It don't cost you anything extra. And a lot of times you can get a discount as well. So you might want to get over there and save some money on cardioconnect.com. Look on there and use the links or the discount codes. Most of the links will give you an automatic discount when you click the link and it goes to wherever it goes to. It'll give you a discount. But some sites, only one, it won't give you a discount on there, and not two, it's two. It won't give you a discount right now, or they don't have it set up where you can get a discount. Just letting them know that I sent you over there. So I know a lot of people say, "Well, they didn't give me a discount." Well, you know, that's just how it goes. You know, over there they don't do discounts on two of them. Well, yeah, one of them they do, but they don't. It's kind of another situation, but they really don't. But you know, either way, y'all go over there and use my links on cardioconnect.com, or you can go to cardioplug.com. It'll take the same place. And it's kind of getting warm out here. It is. So y'all let me know what y'all doing to keep those amps warm. I mean, cool. We don't want to keep them warm. I'm gonna see y'all back on the next one. Thank y'all.
The right equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out cardioconnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top cardio brands. I appreciate your support.